This is the story of my ectopic pregnancy. Wala akong idea na buntis ako kasi nag-bleed ako for almost 3 weeks. Akala ng OB ko hormonal imbalance lang. Pinag-pills niya ako pero hindi nag-stop yung bleeding ko. In August 23, 2023, ng umaga, nakaramdam ako ng sobrang sakit. Para akong hinihiwa sa loob. Halos mawala na ako ng ulirat sa sobrang sakit ng nararamdaman ko. Kinuhaan ako ng dugo for beta-HCG0 at urinalysis and it came back positive for pregnancy. The baby is 6 to 7 weeks but unfortunately it's ectopic pregnancy and ruptured. And I'm very aware that the baby won't survive outside the uterus. I was rushed to the hospital that afternoon for my emergency surgery. The operation went well, but my baby was gone. Sa isang araw, ang daming nangyari. It's like a roller coaster ride. Ang hirap iproseso. Ang hirap tanggapin. Sorry anak, kasi walang nagawa si mama para makasurvive ka. Nahirapan si mama tanggapin na wala ka na. I love you, my baby Abia Jace. We love you so dear.